Diba ang isang pang-connect nun kay Cheese, naibigay daw yung 160 first quarter. Tapos sometime in July, nakita raw si Cheese at saka itong si Bernardo at nagsabi, thank you. Ang sa akin naman, that could mean many different things, di ba? Hindi naman sa I'm defending Cheese. Ang point ko lang, hindi siya solid para i-connect, di ba? Kunwari ikaw minsan, nagkita tayo, bigla ako sabihin, oy, thank you, Hindi siya direktang, hindi siya swak na swak para sabihin na thank you because of that. Yun ang sinasabi ko. So, what else should be presented to be able to establish that indeed, yung 160 napunta kay Cheese?
Well, of course, if meron din siyang mga ledger that are not falsified, no? Meaning, nasulat na to, meron siyang proof na luma na tong ledger na to, noon pa to, hindi ko lang to ginawa ngayon to make up the story, no? Or other documents that would show chat messages, text messages. Siyempre si Senator Joel, ang ginawa niya, disappearing messages. Baka ganun din si Senator Cheese, baka na-picture naman using another cellphone yung disappearing messages. We don't know, no? But those are the types of evidence that could bolster his own claim. Otherwise, if it's all talk, kung ano yan, he said, she said, unless Maynard Ngu will sing or Maynard Ngu will corroborate some points.
So, I understand, papatawag na ba ito si Maynard Ngu?
Yes, he was, I'm not sure if subpoenaed or just invited for the next hearing.
Invited yata muna, no? Yung initial step,
Yes, malaking tao din kasi ito si Maynard Ngu. Alam mo, lahat ng mga nadidiscuss ngayon, in fairness, malalaking tao yung mga yan. Lalo na dun sa Bernardo affidavit, no? Kasi yung sa isang affidavit, we'll discuss that later, I guess, no?
Mamaya.
Concerns doon.
Okay,
pero dito kay Bernardo pa lang, malalaking tao to, no? Yung mga name drop niya. From Office of the Executive Secretary to the USEC na DepEd, bakit ba siya, malaking tao actually yun, hindi lang alam ng mga tao. But, so si Maynard Ngu, isingit ko na kagad, Christian, no? Nag-fundraising yan for BBM noong 2022. You can Google it sa Bilyonaryo, yung Cork Wine and Bar sa BGC, where I said Cheese Escudero had an emergency meeting, was the same place where they invited si Maynard Ngu, Cheese, and other VIPs, invited 100 mga billionaires or rich people or powerful people to donate 5 million each to BBM. At the very least, yung plate daw, yung per plate to attend March 2022 fundraising and mataas sa survey nun si BBM, 5M per plate or per entry for Cork Wine and Bar. Nasa ano yan, reported yan ng isang news outlet. So, bigat yan. Bigatin yan si Maynard Ngu.
Oh, ito nga, gino-google ko yung Cork Bar, Cork Wine Bar. Ang ganda pala rito, pang mayayaman ito.
Yes. Ang ano dyan, ako, on my part, what I can say, I mean, these are just my views and opinions, hindi sa'yo to definitely. So, to shield you, no? Ang Cork Wine and Bar, it's owned by Maynard Ngu along, allegedly, with Senator Cheese Escudero, who is a silent partner. Silent partner kasi syempre, he cannot be on record, no?
Pero how did you know?
Dyan si Senator Cheese.
How did you know?
Well, ang unang signal nga dyan is doon nag-fundraising si Maynard Ngu and Cheese for BBM in 2022. That's the first sign. But among business people, that's well known na Cheese Escudero has a stake in Cork Wine and Bar BGC.
Okay. Parang gusto ko tuloy puntahan no? Out of curiosity. Kaso
out of curiosity, para lang din malaman mo, meron pang tinatawag na Cork Elite. Sa Cork Wine and Bar, to be a member of the Cork Elite, you need to pay 1 million for a locker. Locker ng wine mo or meron niyang, so lahat yan, VIPs na yan pag pupunta ka ng Cork Wine and Bar. But to be the elite of the elites, kailangan you have to buy in the Cork Elite with a locker. The locker costs 1 million or something. Hindi ako sigurado on the price kasi hindi ako bilyonaryo. So, pero merong concept na Cork Elite.
Kayang-kaya. 1M lang. Ilang ba? Parang sinusukat mo ako, Attorney Jess, Ilang ba?
Wow! Go!
Madaan nga kaso baka baka sipain na kayo, no? Hindi bagay dito yung mga nanlilimahid na hampas lupa. Yun yata yung meron kang wine tapos babalik-balikan mo, ganun ba yan? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi naman
Hindi ako
tayo.
sure.
Hindi ko alam eh. Medyo lang tayo eh. Hampas lupa lang naman eh. Ganun pala yan. Okay.
You have to interview Maynard Ngo.
Tsaka sila, no? Apparently close, no? They're not ordinary acquaintances. Kumbaga meron silang mga tawag dito, entanglements, no? Magkaibigan. Very close.
Multiple ties that bind, no? For example, may business si Maynard Ngo, Lux PH or Luxel PH. Ang endorser is Heart Evangelista. So that's one. And then frequently, nagpo-promote si Heart ng Cork Wine and Bar, which is owned by Maynard Ngo, among others, no? Sa IG post ni Heart, madami ka makikita dong promotions about Cork Wine and Bar. And Cork Wine and Bar usually hosts Heart Evangelista for her mga blogging or yung mga iba naman niyang events. So, they have ties.
Speaking of Heart Evangelista, no, nakikiramay tayo dun sa nakikidalamhati tayo dahil talagang malungkot tayo dun sa kanyang desisyon na hindi na umattend nung Milan tsaka Paris Fashion Week. So medyo
dalawa
medyo iniinda ko yun nung nakita ko yung balita. So kaya napa-tweet ako ng very sad face. So
that's a big sacrifice. Hindi lang 1 fashion week, 2 fashion week yun.
Yun nga, medyo sige, i-change topic na natin. Hindi ko kayang pag-usapan to, nakakalungkot Anyway.
Anong topic natin?
Sorry, hindi ko. Medyo
Kasi, going to Fashion Week, that costs millions. For Heart to go to Fashion Week, she will need a glam team, diba? She will have to fly herself. She will have to rent a certain house or apartment in Paris or in Milan. Mahal yan. Ang rough estimate niyan, minimum 5 million to go to Fashion Week to attend. And she's not even, yung attendance niya is not because may ibibigay siya or may ipepresent siyang mga damit. Hindi siya yung fashion designer na magpaparampa ng mga models. She's just an attendee.
Ganun ba? Hindi, wala akong alam dyan, Attorney Jess. Ang sa akin lang naman, bilang isang Pilipino, talagang naramdaman ko yung pighati, yung lungkot, no? Para skip mo yung Fashion Weekend diba? Ilang, mabigat sa dibdib, mabigat sa heart. Okay, ilang naman. Tsaka ito yung panahon talaga na ramdam natin yung pakikiisa sa ating lahat.